Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Praveen here. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we will be discussing about the ATS friendly DevOps resume. And I will be showing you with hands-on. So that is why this is a recorded video. I'll be taking you over the resume and how to increase your ATS score, right? From 90, 91 or 60. If you are at 60, how to increase 60 to 90, or if you are at 50 currently, how to increase that. And I will be giving you some best DevOps fresher and experience resume templates over this video. So watch the video till the end. And if you are sticking to this video till the end, make sure you watch multiple times, because it needs really little bit of time to understand how the things are working, because I'll be showing you how the points are increasing for a good resume. So there will be trial and error. There will be mistakes shown to you, how I am resolving those mistakes. So in this video, everything will be shown. So if you are a DevOps engineer and SRE engineer, first like the video. If you are a fresher, comment down if you need any kind of help with respect to your template. So let's get started over the video. So I'll be sharing quickly my screen over here. So first of all, let's discuss about what is all about your ATS. So ATS is basically applicant tracking system, which will help you and your resume to get selected. The chances of getting selected in any company will be more, because all these companies use ATS tracking system. So basically, when you upload your resume, that tracking system will match specific fields, specific identities from your resume. And if both are matching, then your resume will be go, and it will be sent to the HR. So from there, you know that HR will send to the manager. Manager will say yes or no. And based on that, you will get a call or a rejection email, right? So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I'll be introducing you few of the websites today. So first website we'll be touching about the Overleaf, where I'll be taking out one of the template and I'll be showing you how to write your projects onto that. So let's get started onto this. So you can see here, you can search like Overleaf, right? LEAF template. So first of all, we will do this, and you can see here the first link which is shown here is templates, journals, CVs, presentations, reports, and more. And you can click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will route to various kinds of templates. You can see here academic journal, bibliography, book, if you want to write formal letter, poster, newsletter. But today we are here to write DevOps and SRE resume. So we will be selecting the resume/CV board, and we will be going on to this. Now you can see here that this heading takes you in, which states that this is a template where you can have your resume and CV. So let's drill down. Let's see like which template suits our DevOps and SRE patterns. So let's see one by one. Let's focus on this. This looks more of a red color. Some globe is there. Some charts are there. So I don't want to put more efforts to create my resume. So I'll be rejecting this. And in the second resume, this is Jack Sparrow's resume. Even the degree is first written. The programming skills are written first. There is something like short resume, curriculum, certificates, and grants. So this looks like a fresher who is applying for a job. So I will exclude Jack Sparrow also. I don't want this kind of resume template. Let's go to the third one. Your name here, PhD, employment history, education, research, and publications. Here also, let's see few of the things. What I'm able to see is your employment history, the box is on the top, education is on the bottom, research and publication. So this suits more for a PhD scholar who is actually doing the PhD and all. So let's drill down. What are the other templates we find? So yeah, so here you can see some resumes are there where your name, work experience, summary, designations, projects, education, publication. So this is okay. But let's see John Doe resume, digital marketer and business analyzer, profile, areas of expertise, professional experience. I think this suits our resume. So what are the things that we need to keep? We'll be creating a resume like this. So let's select this. The name is shown on the top. What is your role? DevOps and SRE engineer, right? That suits the particular block. Your phone number, your email ID, where is your current location of your current company, your LinkedIn, GitHub, and your Twitter. Everything is there. In place of Twitter, you can give some other links which you are good at. Profile, areas of expertise, professional experience. So let's take this resume and quickly do some things here. So you can click on this resume immediately. And once you click on this resume, it will be taking you to the modern, simple, ATS friendly latex CV. So once you say like this, open as template, it will show you some code. Now here, for everyone, those who are thinking that, oh my God, what is this code all about? Don't worry, it's very simple. So what you have to do is wherever you see something like this, you have to first look for that particular field in this resume. So let's think like this. I'm looking for John here. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to simply say Control F and you have to click on this as John, right? JOHN, and it will be taking to you here. So basically, this is a code which is representing your resume. So don't worry, you can just say like Praveen and Singampalli, right? And let's come down. Let's see like profile is there. Okay. So in this profile, when I'm seeing it's like innovative digital marketing manager with 5 years of experience. So let's see where is this profile written. So this profile section is this. And I'll be changing this entire profile summary with my pattern of explaining the things to a recruiter. So I will say professional DevOps and SRE, okay, and SRE engineer with 5+ years of experience, right? And currently associated with, right, the company name also, so that they can understand which company you are at working currently, XYZ company. And you can also say that and I am good at automations, okay, cloud migrations, okay, cloud migrations, and security okay, sorry. And here you can write like this, security implementation. Okay. So if you're a fresher, you can write whatever the project's implementation. Okay. So I think this sounds good. Let's see some other things also. When you're talking about the professional expertise, I think from where to where you have started and all. And let me show you something, digital marketing strategies. So let me take this role. I will convert this role to something else now. So you can see here, this is my role. So what I will do is I will say like DevOps engineer, okay, DevOps engineer here, and whatever the company, it's fine. And you can see here there are some details here. Develop strategic plans for campaigns across email, social media, SOESM. So what I will write is developed strategic plans for projects, right, across email, social media, SOESM, and utilized those techniques and utilized, okay, utilized those techniques to create the flow. Okay, something like this. You can see here developed and implemented automations. Okay, automations in marketing strategist project. Okay, you can say like this, project that generated over $85,000 in revenue in 2023. This sounds good, right? So when you are talking something like, I as a DevOps engineer have done this automation, right? I have done this, I have done that. So all those things will be very, very good. So I think that brings the value for your skills. Okay, so let me once stop the screen share. I just wanted to see and confirm if everything is good. Okay, so if everything is good, so let's do this. So I have changed few of the fields. Right now you are able to see some fields have been changed. So what we have to do, to show it here, so I will just say recompile. So you can see here recompiling is happening. So you can see here Praveen Singampalli. Okay, so now Praveen Singampalli, okay, digital marketer and business analyzer. So I will change this also. I'm not liking this heading also. So digital marketer and business analyzer. So what I will do is I'll just check where this pattern meets the criteria. So I just check like this, digital marketer. Yeah, here I will say like DevOps and SRE engineer. Okay, very important. So you just say recompile. This will be again showing you the data like DevOps and SRE engineer. Now it looks clear and beautiful. Now what is the thing that you have to do is just download this PDF. It will be downloaded as this modern CV ATS template. So now let's do like ATS check. So Praveen, what is a portal to check the ATS? Praveen, what we have to do exactly to bring our resume to good ATS score? Nothing but let's see. Now there is a ATS friendly portal which is like your resume worded. So in this resume worded, what you have to do is you have to upload your resume, create your profile here, just log in with your Gmail ID, and that should be good. So now you see here, go to your dashboard. So I have already logged in. So let's see like what exactly you have to do. Now you can see here 3 options are there: score my resume, targeted resume, LinkedIn review. We will tell or select score my resume. So once I click on the score my resume, there is something like click here to drop your CV. So this was my CV. Okay, I think is that my CV? Let's check. Yeah, this is my CV, Praveen Singampalli, where my name is now. Let's see, parsing your resume, identifying score sections, identifying your work experiences, identifying other experiences, evaluating resume length. So all these things are the checklist which each of the pointer that has been written on the resume goes through. So just see this, and it is saying like preparing your resume. So overall score you can see here is 55. Okay, now I achieved 55. Now let's see like how to increase the score. Okay, now it's not showing my name here. So I think it has taken the first resume. So what I will do is I will say re-upload the resume. So it has not taken my resume. So I think that is the reason. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, now it will take my resume with my name. So let's see what exactly it is doing. Okay, so in this resume, what will be the score? That was the old resume. Please ignore that and please check this. This is basically a DevOps and SRE resume of mine. And I have also added 1-2 pointers to make sure that you are understanding how to write a resume basically. So yes, it is preparing a resume. Okay, so now you can see here 52 is my overall score of this resume. Now how to increase that score? Now you can see here there are some feedbacks. Your resume is 52 out of 100. This is a decent start, but there is a clear room for improvement of your resume. It scored low on some criteria, hiring managers and all those things. So let's see like what are the criteria. Okay, the section says a resume is concise overview of your achievements. Now it is telling unnecessary sections, outdated sections or section skills section. Now let's see what are the outdated sections. Now if you see here, whatever the errors are there, it will highlight. Okay, so now you see here there is an outdated section. It is telling that it doesn't needs to be written here under the skills section. Okay boss, I will remove this. And also it is telling like past checks. Also it is telling like we found unnecessary section, you should remove. Resume standards have changed and all those things, issues found, it is telling. And some of the things it is also telling. So let's see what are the impacts, quantifying impacts. So what it is telling, add more number and metrics, guys. So always a DevOps resume should have something like achieve 10% of automations, 10 automations. Okay, repetitions you should avoid. So you see here developed, implemented. So these all things are not needed for us. So let's revamp the things. Okay, so let's see. We have found 2 things. Okay, there is developed, implemented multiple times, and there is something like we have to remove this digital marketing from here. So let's go back to our template where I have shown you what you have to do. So here you search here something like implemented. Okay, now you see here everywhere there is an implemented. I will just remove the implemented bracket here from everywhere. Okay, so let's see like what exactly achieved here. What we will do is achieve new competitive analysis. Okay, and consumer trend. So I'm just removing the repetitive letters. So wherever I'm able to see, I will just remove. Wherever it is the first sentence, okay, at 2 points it is there. So that is fine. And we will also add led 3 premium projects with a team of 10 members and ACHIEVD achieved 10 automations. Okay, 10 automations. 10 automations in span of 2 weeks. Okay, this sounds good. And now the other issue was remove the digital marketing experience. So you see here, what I will do is I will make this as DevOps. Maybe you can say like DevOps manager. Okay, project management, social media optimization. Okay, and we will just say like this content writing. We will remove all those things and we will just say like project management, social project management and optimizations and PPC and advertisement also I will remove. Yeah, these 2 things I will keep. Okay, as a DevOps manager, DEVOPS. Okay, so let's revamp this, recompile this. Let's see what other things happen. Okay, now I will add like DevOps and AWS engineer because I want to make it as an AWS. Okay, so let's recompile again. So 2 things were there, implemented, and also we have missed to see that there was an error on the top. If you see here, okay, now it is not showing, but when I clicked on one option, it was showing like profile. So whenever you are creating resume, make sure that you add a summary, right? Even it is profile, you need to search like summary. Okay, so let me do this profile. Okay, and let me go on the top. Where is my profile section? Profile. So I will just say like summary. Okay, so let's see like what I can do here. I will just say like summary. Okay. Okay, so now 3 things have been changed. One is like summary, similar things have been removed. Even the developed was to be removed. So let's see, I missed to do that, DEVELOPED. So wherever you see developed, just replace it with something. So led a process team. So let's see developed and implemented. So I will just say like implemented. And let me go down, developed. Where are the other strategic plans? We can say like here, okay, not implemented, created. Okay, this sounds good. So let's see, like recompile it. Okay, so once we have recompiled, let's download this Praveen AWS DevOps Engineer. So what we have to do is quickly go to your resumeworded.com and just say like on this portal, you can come here and say re-upload. Okay, your score 52. Sorry, you have hit the upload time limits. Okay, now it is telling like I have missed that. Now we will keep this score here. What we will do is we will open an incognito. Okay, so resume worded 6 times or 7 times it is free. So quickly we will do a login with with our Google. So hey DevOps 1994. Let's see if it allows. Okay, I wanted to show you how to increase your score. Okay, so I think it's asking for the verification. So no worries. Let's do the quick verification, right? So yes, it's me. So yes, it has accepted that. Okay, these all things not now. Okay. So earlier you have seen that it was 52. Now just in another few minutes, the things will be revealed to you. And also don't worry. So I think it done. It has done. What happened? Okay. Yeah. Okay, it has logged in. So same thing, score my resume. You have to click here, and whatever the level of experience you are, you can choose here. So let's take like mid-level. Okay, and I will be uploading the resume. DevOps engineer AWS. Okay, so let's see what is the thing that it will show. Right, it is telling please wait. Okay, so whenever you are stuck in this situation, use a different email ID, and you can utilize this options of benefits, whatever the portals are giving us. So all the links will be in the description. Few of the more resume templates I'll be sharing, right, for fresher and experience. Please see that and work on your skills accordingly. Now you see what happened is it got reduced. Okay, now why it got reduced? Because it took, I selected as mid-level. So that is why it got reduced. So what I will do is I cannot do a re option here because I have selected the mid-level. So what I have to do is, okay, so it is giving more things here. So I was making like the earlier resume was like senior person. Okay, so let's see here. Here we are getting the option. So let's see if I'm changing it to senior level, what is the score I am getting? Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I have changed my level to senior level. So every level, different kinds of rules are there in the resume worded portal, which goes on hand in hand. So we have to be very careful in executing these kind of things. Okay, so I've selected the experienced person because the earlier one was experienced. Let's see. Okay, what is the actual things happening? Okay, now okay, it is telling like it has not increased. Okay, let's do this. Unnecessary sections we have removed, right? Where is this still? Skills, presentations, planning, and organization. Okay, still it is telling us to remove this. Earlier it has not told. And if we go back, impact, quantify impact. Okay, so it is asking us to change all these things. Okay, so let me take this. Okay, it is giving the advice also what to follow. So in charge of creating. So where is this? It is asking like in charge of creating. So whatever the green is, it is telling it is good. So whatever you see here, in charge of creating new process and improving communications. Okay, where is that? Let's see. In charge. कहाँ है in charge? Okay, weaker. Recruiters are looking for to explain this. Okay, let's do this. I will remove this first sentence, created strategic plans. Okay, and I will add this. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so I will go to my back to my link here. Okay, and I will go to my template here. So the first one was DevOps engineer, right? So here you can see here summary areas of expertise, professional summary, DevOps engineer. Okay. So the first thing item was created strategic plan flow. Okay. So here I will add this. Okay. And also what are the other things that it was telling? Let's see. Yeah. So I will go back. Yeah, it is asking us to remove the unnecessary sections of skills. So let's do that. Okay. So as I have told you, this is a trial and error. I am also doing in front of you, right? So it asked us to remove this. Yeah. So we will remove this. Okay. We will say recompile. Okay. Recompiling done. So let's go ahead. Let's see what are the other things that it is telling. Here it is, everything is good. Skill section, unnecessary action. Okay. Next, what is that? Impact, brevity. Okay. Styling, buzzwords, bullet inconsistency. Okay. It is again telling. Okay. I think it is not giving that. Skills section. Okay. This check is logged for free users. Okay. It is also logged, it seems. Repetition. Review the following words and where it makes sense. Try to replace them with unique action verbs. This shows hiring manager. Okay. So what we will do, managed and optimized. Okay. So we will make this line. Where is this managed and optimized under digital account manager? It will be a little difficult, guys, because see, we are doing everything in front. So managed and optimized. In place of this, I will say like deployed applications via the CI/CD automations. Okay. So I will just say recompile. And now I will change my AWS to DevOps and security engineer. Okay. So I'm just telling you like how many roles are there in the market, and I will just say download it. Okay. For now, download resume has been done. So what I will do is I will quickly go to my score, my resume. Okay. And I will say like here, I will say upload a new resume. Okay. And where is the, yeah, this one, security engineer. So we will upload. Yeah. For freshers also, you have to do this. For mid-level also, you have to do this. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to follow certain things. Whatever the portal says, just have to follow that and spend some time. Like this is like on the go, which we are doing, right? So I have spent, okay. Now you saw, right? So overall from 51, we have reached to 62 and still we can go till 90. But one thing is there यार, कुछ जीवन में पाने के लिए कुछ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कहीं से कॉपी कर लिया, you have copied from somewhere, you have taken some suggestions, whatever you want to do. If you want your resume to be very good, very beautiful, very good looking resume, handsome resume, by the way, right? Follow these steps, whatever we have discussed in this, and make sure you at least reach 70. That is a good score to have a resume. If you are still working on your resume, like 2-3 days you are taking and setting, and then you can definitely go for 80. Now you saw I have changed some few basic things. From 51 to 62 we have gone, and from 62 to till 72 there is no hard and fast rule. I have to just talk to this resume worded feedback, and I can upload or change the data accordingly. Okay. So I think you have liked the video. Do share this video with your friends because this is kind of a hands-on which we have done on the resume. And yes, all the links are in the description. So do check out and definitely watch all the playlists. We have done beautiful playlists on our channel. So if you see, right, there are very good projects which you can keep in your resume and make sure that okay, this is incognito. I can just search like Yeah. So this is a very good things which we have done on our channel. Please check all the playlist. And if you have any questions, any queries, so we have almost like 5 free courses which are there in our playlist, starting from 1, right? You are seeing 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, which we have completed recently. You can check all these things and be the part of this beautiful channel. Subscribe to the channel and share the link with your friends. This is Praveen signing off from this channel. Thank you. Yeah, bye.